you're going to be estimating the cost for a utility shed the same size as the one we made. And this is an important part of civil engineering that actually takes a lot of work for big projects like houses or construction projects. We're going to do this cost estimation on the little utility shed to simplify the calculations down to a manageable size for us to do in just a class or so. And we're going to start by estimating the cost of the concrete, which is often a very big part of the cost of the whole thing. And since some of you may not be familiar with how concrete is actually put together, this little part of the video is going to kind of show you the steps. So we start off and we have concrete that goes down for all these kind of applications. And here what they're actually doing is the concrete has been laid down and it's still wet, and they're actually taking these and smoothing the concrete out. This is what it looks like before you put the concrete in. This is called the form, and this is a 2x4 that are just held in by these spikes here. And these have been put so that the top of this form will be the right height for our concrete slab. Down here in the bottom, what you see is rebar, which is used to increase the tensile strength, and it's just basically metal bars that are put in there because concrete is very strong in compression but not strong in tension. So we add rebar here. These are actually usually tied together with tie wire, which is little thin wire that's easy to bend to make this mesh shape here. So when we're calculating how much the concrete is going to cost, we're going to include these rebar, how much lumber we have to have for the forms, plus the actual concrete itself. So here we see some more parts that you could have. We could have a wall with rebar sticking up. These are forms for a concrete wall coming up. Now we're going to finish this video, and then I'm going to jump over to another video where I'm going to actually show you how to do all the calculations. And we're going to calculate a slab like what we would have in our utility shed.